Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by creating a safe copy of the image so you never lose the original. Once done, open the app and grant photos and storage access. This enables full-quality edits. Zoom in to about 100% and choose either the lasso selection or brush eraser depending on edge complexity. Make sure to set a moderate brush size and keep pressure low. You want control, not broad deletions. Now select the unwanted object carefully, following its contours without rushing. Once the selection is made, choose the Heal or Content-Aware Fill option to let the app synthesize background texture automatically. You want to control the replacement area. If the app lets you sample a different source, pick a nearby similar texture. Make sure to feather the selection slightly, 1 to 8 pixels, so edges blend naturally. Work in small strokes or pieces for busy backgrounds. This reduces artifacts. Preview your edits often and undo any step that introduces repeating patterns or visible seams. You're almost done. Apply the edits and examine the full image at actual size to catch subtle artifacts. Once satisfied, export to a new file at the original resolution. Pick high-quality JPEG or PNG depending on your needs. Make sure to keep layered or project files if you might re-edit later. If you spot streaks or repeating patterns, don't panic. Use the clone tool to sample a nearby clean area or reduce feathering and reheal small spots, which often fixes visible artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.